Welcome to the PosiCharge how-to video series.
In this short video, we'll go over the removal, cleaning, and reinstallation procedure of the air vent filters for DVS330 IP55 models manufactured beginning with the 2023 calendar year. DVS330 IP55 models manufactured beginning in 2023 feature reusable air filters. These filters meet the IP55 standard for preventing dust and water intrusion into the DVS330, and with proper cleaning, they're designed to last several years.
Information about these reusable filters is provided on pages 28 through 32 of the Operation and Maintenance Manual, which you can download from the PosiCharge website. So before we continue, we encourage you to stop this video and download a PDF copy of the manual. Simply go to PosiCharge.com, select Products at the top of the page, followed by Product Resources. When the page refreshes, select Manuals, then scroll down to Chargers for Electric Ground Support Equipment. Locate the DVS330 400 Operation and Maintenance Manual and click Download to the right of it.
Now that you have the manual on your PC, let's look at the filter removal, cleaning, and reinstallation procedure. The DVS330 has a total of 6 filters, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and 1 on each side. And there are 2 different filters for the DVS330, an intake filter and an exhaust filter. As you can see, part number 5911-958 is the intake filter, and part 5911-912 is the exhaust filter. The black side of the filter is always installed facing inward toward the machine, and the lighter side is always positioned so it faces away from the machine or outward. Before you begin to remove any components, remember to do the following. First, unplug any vehicles from the charger. Remove the AC input. Disconnect the charger from the input power and battery connections, and let the unit rest for 30 minutes. The procedure for removing the rear filters is simple. Begin by removing the screws to the filter cover. Then remove the cover. Please note, the back cover contains both the filter and a spacer bracket. The spacer bracket is removed first, then the filter is removed. There are 4 methods you can use to clean the IP55 filter. Using a shop vacuum, using compressed air, rinsing it with water, or immersing it in water. To use the vacuum method, simply use a shop vac such as the one shown here to gently remove any accumulated dust or debris. To use compressed air, use an air compressor and a hose to blow any dust or debris in the opposite direction of the airflow. In other words, apply the compressed air to the black side of this new filter so that it blows out through the light side. To use the rinsing method, use a common garden hose with gently flowing water to wash away any dust or debris. And like before, always rinse from the black side of the filter toward the light side of the filter. To use the immersion method, simply immerse the filter into warm soapy water. Simply dip the filter in the water and gently swirl it around. After removing the filter from the water, set the filter outside and let it dry in the sunlight until it is completely dry. When the filter is completely dry, or after you've used one of the other methods to remove any dust and debris. You can reinstall the filter. On the back filter cover, install the filter first so that the black side will face inward toward the charger. Then install the spacer bracket into the cover. Lastly, reinstall the cover with the filter inside onto the back of the charger. Be sure to tighten the screws in a crisscross pattern so that all sides of the cover are evenly snug against the charger. The procedure for removing the front filters and the side filters, cleaning them, and reinstalling them is exactly the same as for the back filters. The only difference is that the front and side filters do not have a spacer bracket. In conclusion, removing the filters, cleaning them, and reinstalling them is a simple process. If you have any questions about these new filters, or you have any other question about maintenance for the DVS330, just give us a call. And if you have a question about a specific problem you're experiencing, please have the following information on hand before you call. This includes the charger SKU or serial number, the module SKU or serial number, your contact name, a detailed description of the problem and any fault codes, a data download, a shipping contact name, a shipping phone number, and a shipping address.